Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the environment and the device. First, make sure your Quest 2 and Oculus app are updated. Once done, reboot the headset by holding power for 10 seconds. Next, clean the front cameras and remove reflective objects, mirrors, glass, shiny floors, because infrared reflections confuse tracking. Check controller batteries and repair them if needed. Do these steps now and make sure the room has steady, indirect lighting, so the cameras can reliably see the controllers and headset. Once your basics are set, perform the detailed calibration steps. Reconfigure Guardian and set the floor level so the headset has a correct reference for position. This helps with drift. Adjust the strap and IPD so the cameras sit centered on your face. Small shifts change tracking dramatically. If controllers jitter, unpair them and pair again through settings. That forces a fresh connection. Also reduce direct overhead lights and avoid sunlight on cameras, because inconsistent IR will break tracking during play. To finish, validate tracking in a simple, low-motion app and walk around to confirm stability. If problems remain after calibration and repairing, try toggling pass-through and recentering your view. Sometimes that forces a tracking refresh. Only use a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you understand it will remove local settings. A key troubleshooting tip: inspect the play area for infrared sources, LED, remote controls, sunlight, and remove them, because they are often the hidden cause of continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.